In this video, I'll show you the latest urgent openings in top industries. First, we have a factory manager position in Sonipat with a salary of $50K in the plastic industry. Next, a company secretary role in Delhi Noida, offering $70K in the automobile sector. A regulatory affairs executive in Kundli is available for $45K. There's a production manager role for injection molding department in Kundli for $50K. Looking for accounting? An account manager role in Noida is up for grabs at $60K. Quality supervisor, salary $25K, location Sonipat, industry plastic. Machine shop engineer CNC, turning salary $40K. Location Kundli, industry home appliances. Senior quality engineer, salary $35K, location Kundli, industry ceiling fan. Paint shop engineer, salary $40K, location Kundli, industry automobiles/fan. Apply now on email hr@amcc.in or WhatsApp on 7011803312. Happy job hunting! Please visit our YouTube channel and subscribe for regular updates on job openings. @AMCC Jobs.